Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to install your MTK 65.xx USB VCOM driver. So you have to, my computer is in French, so here is manager, gérer, manager your six, how to install your MTK 65xx USB VCOM driver. So when you want to program your phone, here is the program. Yes, so it has to come here. A moment. Here, it has to come here, then after a little bit, here, here, yes, you have to come here, ajouter un matériel d'ancienne génération. You have to come here and then weiter, suivant. After you come here, after here, weiter, here Dix furniture. So you come here to parcourir, so where your driver is located. So on my PC is located on my desktop, so I have to come here, desktop bureau. Here's the file MT65.xx USB VCOM driver here, and then after here. So on your computer, when you have a Windows XP system, so you have to use this one. When you have Windows Vista, you use the one. When you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, or any of the other Windows starting from Windows 7 upward, so you should use this file. If your computer is 64 gigabit processor, you have to use this. If it is 33, you have to use this another one. So if you want to check if your computer is 64 or 83 gigabit, so you just have to come here on your computer, right click and come to a priority. So a moment, on my computer I have a 64 gigabit processor. I have a 64-bit processor, so I have a 64-bit processor. So here I have to use a 64-bit processor, and then open here, then okay. So here is the driver of the phones, the drivers that I want to install. So next, un moment. Yes, here le matériel suivant a été installé. That means I have succeeded. I have installed with a successful version. Yeah, so these are the drivers that I've already installed in my computer. These are the drivers that I've already installed in my computer. So if you have any question, you should write it as a comment. If you write it under the video like a comment, I'll be there to answer you. So then you have to abonnate yourself on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.